Schools used to have full-time art teachers, and those got cut out of budgets a long time ago. Some schools don't have parent organizations that can fundraise or don't have parents from whom they can fundraise. That's where Allied Arts comes in, is being able to provide at a free or discounted cost the art education that the kids need.
It is so much fun for the teacher who gets to participate in the artistic process, but it's also so much fun to see your students interacting with this new dynamic person in the room.
And so it's just such a powerful thing for students and for adults and for everybody to just create something that's a piece of them that nobody else ever could do again. It's just theirs.
When you succeeded the first time, that's quite an electric thing. And to be able to make something successfully, you look at you differently.
The Allied Arts Education Project brings professional teaching artists into schools to share their knowledge and provide quality arts education for the students. Lessons are tailored to meet the specific needs of the class, creating unique art experiences for students in Whatcom County.
I get to sit down next to my kids and learn along with them. Like, I am not trained in art. I'm at that same artistic level as my students, which is so fabulous. So I get to sit next to them and be a student next to them.
There's kids that can't financially maybe afford certain extracurricular activities, and so I think that's one of the most valuable things about going into the schools and doing art, is that it provides that opportunity for all, instead of maybe just the select.
Since time immemorial brings focus to traditional Native history and culture. The Allied Arts Education Project currently offers lessons from 3 artists of Indigenous descent, including Coast Salish painting, carving, and cedar bark weaving, incorporating storytelling, environmental and historic components.
I've been practicing in Northern Form Line and Coast Salish art for almost going on 30 years now. So right now I'm working on teaching all grades of students the history of Coast Salish art and the proper shapes and, you know, the traditional colors and whatnot. On a personal level though, just our tribal communities and the community of Whatcom County, people getting to know each other is really important. It's really important to establish those connections too.
The first Friday in May brings the Children's Art Walk, where students can exhibit their artwork in businesses throughout downtown Bellingham.
Right now, the gallery is filled with children's art in celebration of the Children's Art Walk. It's an opportunity for the children to share their work with the community, with their parents, with their friends.
Getting to present our work to the community gives the community an opportunity to see kids expressing themselves and making beautiful things and commenting on the world and just feel valued. My work is important enough to put up on a wall and for people to come see.
The different media, the more things that we get access to, I think that the broader our horizon, becomes.
How else are we going to know who we are as adults if we don't start when we're young?